Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix no music results found on Instagram story. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. When certain features aren't working as they should, the best solution is to update your app to the latest version. If you haven't already done so, to do this, open the App Store on your iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Search for Instagram and press the update button if it's available. Once updated, restart Instagram and see if the issue is resolved. If the update doesn't work, try reinstalling the app instead as a last resort. Perhaps the issue is caused by a software glitch in Instagram. From your home screen or app library, press and hold on Instagram and tap Delete App. Reinstalling Instagram will automatically log you out of the app and clear the cache. This should fix any recurring bugs that cause the problem. After reinstalling, open Instagram and log into your account. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.